Let us discuss this. So he is asking that what happened to this died red blood cells? Means once the red blood cells will die, then what is happening to them? So they will be mixed with understand our excretory systems of something, or else mixed with some kind of things, and they will be finally come out from our body, or else there itself they will be destroyed inside our body itself. That is what will happen to the died red blood cells. So what is the lifespan of red blood cells? What is the lifespan of red
4
blood?
months.
4 months.
4 months.
About 4 months.
4 into 30 days means about how many days? About equals to
120 days.
120 days.
Sir said only 4 months, not said in days. Don't think that. It is about 120 days. So this is what all understanding RBC. So RBC, where they will be synthesized in bone marrow. Understand?
Bone marrow.
Very, very important. Understand? So even if you're going to higher classes, more even in detail we'll study regarding this bone marrow and all. So even though why we are sustaining after donating the blood, you can see so many are used to donate the blood, even the monthly basis also, because they know that if they are consuming the well good food, well protein food and all, so these proteins and all has been transported to the this bone marrow, so that our bone marrow will be synthesized the RBC much faster. But here one more thing out of our textbook, in the sense of I am saying, you remember iron is a vitamin, correct or not? Mineral. Iron is one of the mineral, correct or not? Which is required for our body, which is most required for our body. Do you remember this iron is major involvement of understanding make of RBC. All of you should remember major involvement which has been supplied to the bone marrow and as well as proteins. These only will be useful to synthesize RBC. Do you understand, Amma? All of you?
Yes.
Iron is involving in production of RBC, that is by bone marrow. That is what you have to remember. It is not in our textbook, but I am saying you just how it has been produced in a bone marrow. So this is all about the red blood cells. So what is the points you have to remember regarding red blood cells? Red blood cells, they are in
Red in color.
they are red in color.
They are circular in shape. They do not have
Because
nuclei.
they contains what? Still somebody is need to join. So because they
Red
contain
called hemoglobin.
hemoglobin. Understanding? So next one, they are majority.
RBC.
Yeah.
Majority of carrying oxygen.
They are the carrier of oxygen from lungs to tissues. So
Lungs to
also they also will carry some carbon dioxide.
Carbon
They
dioxide.
are in circular shape and they do not have nuclei. Because of lack of nuclei, their lifespan is very short and they used to about live only exactly how many days? Is about
20 days.
4 months to 120 days.
what the reason behind it. So, and also fastly and per day about 3 million RBC will die in our human per day, and same way about four times more has been made by bone marrow with the help
Bone marrow.
of proteins. This is all about the RBC cells. If still anybody is having any doubt, please ask me. Are you having doubt?
No, sir.
So that is what. So now RBC is over. Next, immediately have to move to next
White
one.
blood corpuscles.
What is that? WBC. What is that? WBC is called as what? White blood cells.
White
White
cells
blood
are
cells.
Blood.
cells.
Sir, blood looks like a red. Then how these cells are present in white color? We are able to see majority is in red color. Because of why? Because majority of the cells are what?
Hemoglobin.
RBC. That is why we are able to see in red color. But it contains what?
White
Blood cells also.
blood cells also.
If you observe, these white blood cells are major important function. Their number is very less, but their lifespan is also less. But these are the cells majorly useful to, like particularly during corona time or else any disease time and all. Because why not? These are the
They fight for us, sir.
immunity
They
booster.
fight with any bacteria, viruses.
They are the gods. They are the gods, security of our human body. So, white blood cells, they will fight infection and protect us from diseases. Correct or not? That is what
Yes,
is
sir.
called as white blood cells. White blood cells means what? They will
Protect against the diseases.
us from where? From diseases. Means in the sense of they are the warriors of our human body. They used to understand fight against infections, and they will give the protection us from diseases. That is what. So if you see WBC count is less, you can see those who are infected with the dengue fever or some malaria and all, immediately the WBC count will fall down. Correct or not? Because whatever the bacteria or virus will enter into our body, first it will react with what? WBC only. Because they are the god or protectors of our body. So if we'll kill them, then our body can be easily affected by the disease. That is why everything will be affected only on WBC. So if a WBC count is more, means good, and it is very healthy, like in the sense that we are consuming very good food and everything, when the amount of white blood cells is very good in our blood, then definitely our immune power will be more. So white blood cells fight infection, and what they will do, they will protect us from, they will fight infections, and they will protect us from diseases. When any kind of foreign bodies, what is the meaning of foreign bodies? These big white blood cells help us to fight against
outside the body.
What is the meaning of foreign bodies? Foreign bodies means foreigners will come and will enter into our body. What is the meaning of foreign bodies? What is the meaning of foreign bodies? Anybody?
From other body.
Huh?
Any new substance which does not enter our body before.
Foreign bodies means understanding. So like in the sense of germs, understanding. Germs, bacteria, virus, fungus. This is all called as foreign bodies. Do you understanding, all of you? Understanding? Microbes, very good. Dina is having some terminology, very nice. So, very good, Dina. So, if you'll observe, these white blood cells, they will help to fight against germs. Germs means what? Disease causing bacteria and viruses. Correct or not? So, and also any other foreign bodies which will entering into our body, then which will cause us diseases, it will protect against them by fighting with them. That is what WBC. So, some white blood cells can even eat up by the germs like bacteria, and that is only causing what? Diseases. Do you understand? So whatever the foreign bodies will entering into our body, if they are stronger than this WBC, actually WBC is like a eagerly waiting for, like a hungry, with a lot of hunger it is used to wait. If some foreign bodies or some kind of disease causing germs will entering into our body, immediately these white blood cells will go and will fight against it, and they used to kill it. Do you understand, Igra? And they will protect us, our body. If these foreign bodies are very strong, or else the germs like bacteria or fungus, understanding, or virus which is entering into our body, if it is stronger than them, then what will happen? Our white blood cells has been eaten by these germs. Do you understand, Ingra? So WBC is eaten up by these germs, so that it is causing for what? It is causing for what?
Diseases.
Causing for disease. Actually, here somebody may ask me the question. So what about then foreign bodies? Have you noticed it? Tapeworms, earthworms, tapeworms, ringworms, and all used to entering into our stomach, small intestine, and all. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Tapeworm.
Yes, sir.
Means so many kind of germs, like some another species will used to live inside our body because of eating the raw meat or raw non-veg and all. So many diseases, so many bodies will entering into our body, and they will start growing inside our body, which will cause us diseases. That is what we should call as foreign bodies. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Watching Google, some people are getting like a plate-like substances under from eye, and the inside small intestine operation. They used to remove this much big tapeworm, like that things you may watch in Google. Correct? Some rare cases. That is all called as foreign bodies, which other species, none other than this like disease-causing germs, which will live inside the human bodies, are called as
Human body.
so these white blood cells, if anything will enters into like these foreign bodies or like these germs, disease causing germs, they will be fight against them and they will protect our body. If not, then this for some amount of WBC will be eaten up by this disease causing organism, so that the count of WBC will fall down. So if the count of WBC will be fall down, means in the sense of what is happening now, the disease percentage is
Increase.
understand?
Increasing,
The seriousness of disease percentage is increasing. That is what you have to remember. So the white blood cells are the protectors of our body. Why?
Body.
What is the reason behind means these white blood cells, they will make some chemicals which is known as, you may heard this word called as, if you are getting some kind of diseases now also because of corona, our body should develop something, everybody will say, what is that? Anybody?
Immunity, sir.
Immunity, not some name called as bodies only. It will come as bodies. Antibodies, have you remembered? WBC
Antibody.
will release us some chemicals which we used to call as antibodies. What we should call? So antibodies. So these antibodies only will fight against. Very good, Dina. So these antibodies will fight against. Actually, Dina knows very well. So he has also fought. He fight against corona. Correct? He our friend also. So that is what he know that how it will be, how terrible it is. So that is what. So be very safe. So these white blood cells make chemicals which we used to call. What is that chemicals name called as? They themselves, they are the produce. They will make chemicals. That is what we should call as what? Antibodies. What we should call? Antibodies.
Antibodies
What is the use of these antibodies? They will fight against infection
against the foreign material.
caused by disease causing germs. That is what? They will fight against infection. That is what? Please note it down, all of you. Don't leave anything. Each and everything is a MCQ. They fight against, fight against what? Infection. So this is what?
Infection.
So, that is why we can say WBC is the, or else the white blood cells, they are the manufacturer of antibodies which are responsible for providing immunity in our body. Is it yes or no? Means in the sense of which are protected from disease and infection. Is it yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? So that is why I can say manufacturer. So this all the kind of antibodies, manufacturer means who is the manufacturer? WBC is the manufacturer of all antibodies. All antibodies which has been fight against what? Which has been fight against? Fight against what? Infections and diseases. Please note it down, all of you. That is what you have to remember. So that is why our India is protected by soldiers, and like our body is protected by WBC. So that is why also we can call it as what? WBC cells are called as what we should
Body.
what we should call? WBC is called as what? Soldiers.
Warriors.
Understand? Soldiers of our body. Every animals also. That is what you have to remember. You understanding, all of you? Very, very
Yes,
important.
sir.
So gods, our protectors, our soldiers, that is everything is called as WBC only. So, because what is the reason behind? They will ask you one more question. Why the WBC is known as soldiers of the body? What is the cause? Because they protect
Because
the
they
body,
fight
protect
against the
against
foreign body by against
our
germs.
foreign bodies and disease causing germs. Understand? So the disease causing germs only, disease causing germs, we used to call it as name. It will start with a P. Anybody? Disease causing, they will fight because because they will fight again. They will fight again. Disease causing. That is only called as what we should call disease causing. It will start with a P. Any idea?
Pathogen.
Pathogens. Disease causing germs. Disease causing called as what? Pathogen.
Pathogen.
That is what? Please all of you note it down. Disease causing germs also we can call it as what? Pathogens. Our foreign bodies also we can call it as pathogens. Means without our permission will come and will live inside our body. That is what we should call it as pathogens. Do you understand it, all of you? That is what. So it is attack. Why it is? They will protect the body from attack of disease causing pathogens or germs, and as well as and other harmful foreign materials. So that is why we can say WBC are the soldiers of our body. Understanding? Anybody is having any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is all about the WBC. Now let us come to the shape of the WBC. So WBC, if we'll consider, as we know, red blood cells. Red blood cells are in which shape? Red blood
Circular in shape.
Circular shape.
Circular shape. In understanding, it is bent in surfaces like a concave, like this, bent in surfaces. Understanding. So circular in shape. That is what you have to remember. But if it comes to the WBC, they are irregular shape. They are either spherical in shape or irregular in shape. Means they looks like a spherical, but that is not exact spherical in shape. That is why we can say they are irregular in shape. You understanding? That is what you have to remember. White blood cells are either spherical in shape, either spherical. I cannot say exactly spherical. Either spherical in shape or what it is, or irregular in shape. Irregular in shape. That is what you have to remember. Do you understand, all of you? Yes or no? So which looks like I will show you the pictures, which will looks like like this, almost spherical, but some irregularities is there. That is why I cannot say it is spherical in shape. Now, let us come to here. It contains nuclei or not? That is what the important. So if you observe here, all the white blood cells, they have a nucleus. Though the shape of nucleus is different in different types of white blood cells. That is what you have to remember. So every WBC contains nucleus, but the nucleus which is present inside this every WBC is not same. So there are different shape of nucleus. So that is why you can say the white blood cells in the blood, understand, their lifespan is much more or much smaller? Much more or much smaller? Anybody?
Much smaller, sir.
Much smaller or much more? Any idea? What is the lifespan of WBC? They have
About 4 months.
they have nucleus, but they are the protectors of our body, like our Indian soldiers, So, who is having lifespan is more, WBC or RBC? So, as we know that RBC, his lifespan is how much?
120 days.
120
But
months.
when it comes to the WBC, they have nucleus. Because of lack of nucleus, RBCs die. But even though they have nucleus, understanding nucleus and different WBCs having different nucleus, different shape of nucleus, but their lifespan is just 13 to 20 days. Just 13 to 20 days. Because, understand, they are the protectors of what? Protectors of understanding our body from this kind of disease causing pathogens and other foreign bodies. So always with our presence or without our knowing, understanding, so many pathogens is used to enter our body. So always this WBC count is very less. Understanding, that is why, that is also parameter. Count of WBC is very less in blood. in blood, and they are always need to fight against this disease causing bacteria and all. So that is why their lifespan is very, very less. That is 13 to 20 days just, and they will be produced again back into the blood. Do you understanding, all of you? So white blood cells in the blood are much smaller in number than the red blood cells. That is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody? Please ask me. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no?